Hi guys, still here. I switched it back on because talking about this beautiful petrol station, BP. We have the company has a BP fuel card. It's amazing, and so we stop all BP stations to refuel, right? And I want to say, but this, especially this one, man, the staff is so amazing, so courteous. I have a chat, and she's so beautiful, and she gives us free chocolates. Just talking, you see, it's amazing when you're nice to people and you're kind to people. You ask them about family or how they are genuinely, and they can see genuine intent. It's all good karma coming back, you know. Yeah, good energy. So be positive, look at the bright side all the time, never know, right? So so switch it back off or keep going? I have no idea. Yeah.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Now you take this stuff, and I take the coffee.
Okay.
This is mine.
This one.
Yeah. Be careful.
Okay. I'll take the chocolate.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, what a beast! That's it. Manual gear, real stuff. Holy moly. Right, watch out.
I felt my head getting up.
Yeah, be careful. So now, I tried to use the 3 points. Always use 3 points to get up. Nice and easy. Alright, put it here and we'll crack on. So you know what? I just let it run for a bit. Night ride? What do you reckon? Alright. So where is the?
Would you like a chocolate one?
The head mount. Hang on.
Later,
thanks. Okay. I really enjoyed that toast. Amazing. Wow, bloody hell.
Oh, I haven't had a toasty in forever. Fine.
Amazing. Yeah. So guys, I'm mounting the head mount live. Just last minute planning. Didn't really plan for this. So that should do. Just let it run for a bit. There we go. It looks like in the one of those guys, athletes in the 70s, you know, with the bloody thing around the, how do you call them? The headband, you know, playing tennis. Sampras. Simplify. There we go. Lights off. That should do. Hopefully the view is good.
Look this way, it definitely is.
Yes. Oh yes, now. Oh yeah, I'm a lucky guy. I'm the luckiest guy on earth. All right, rock and roll. Rolling. Got everything right, yeah. Didn't forget anything.
Wallet?
Card, wallet, yes. Wallet. I don't know.
Check your pocket.
I think I put it here. I don't remember. That's a good idea, mate. You never know. Yeah. Thank you. Never know. Better be safer than sorry. All right, let's go. Super clean truck now, eh? Yeah, we're signing it's important to keep the truck clean, not only for being a brand ambassador of the company, but also keeping clean equipment. It's easier to detect leaks and faulty stuff, oil leaks, hydraulic leaks. It's the same with the aircrafts, with the planes. You're saying always keep them clean. Cars as well, so you can see if something goes wrong. Safety aspects. So let's see. Try to drive as more efficient as possible without touching the brakes, using engine brakes, let it roll, keep the momentum, so we maximize fuel efficiency, using exhaust brakes. When we see a red light, we start decelerating like ages before, if it's possible. So by the time we approach the light, it would be green, and this way we don't stop the truck. Don't waste time, especially with heavy loads, and maximize the fuel efficiency. So it's just gonna run until the first job. Let's see, I don't know what's the second one, but and then we put it on during the day. What do you reckon?
Take the next lift. Then take the next lift.
We should try and catch the sunrise, or at least the sky.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be beautiful today because it's clear skies.
A bit fresh with that wind. But make see, look pretty.
Oh yeah.
Very light, just make everything pretty.
Yeah.
Take the next lift.
The Night Riders.
One day in our black on Dodge Challenger.
Oh yes, man. This is one of the sites I come as well there during the week.
Take the next lift.
How is the coffee? Did she make it okay? That's, I think she's the best here. This one, yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, shame. She just works, you see, two nights a week. I think she's a student, you know, to pay their studies. Good on her.
She's so kind.
Mm-hmm.
Very lovely. She said, "I know him." When she was saying all the kind comments, I was like,
Oh yeah.
be sure to tell my partner them. She's like, "I will, don't you worry." And then when you walk in, she's like, "I know him. I see him all the time."
Is it getting famous?
Yeah.
I'm getting famous around here. Oh man, beautiful driving at night. It's so peaceful. I love it. No traffic. If I could do all the jobs at night, didn't have time restrictions, it would be the best. Even for the truck, not stopping, just keeps rolling. You see, it's good, eh? When you're kind to people.